Bubba Gump Shrimp Seafood is also starting to take Bitcoin as payment.
You ever been on a real shrimp boat?
No.
Well, Tillman Fertitta, who is the chairman of Landry Seafood.
Shrimp is the fruit of the sea. You can barbecue it, boil it, broil it.
Which owns a ton of restaurants.
Coconut shrimp, pepper shrimp.
So, I mean, he is, I think, the largest restaurateur in the country.
Shrimp soup, shrimp stew, shrimp salad.
He has decided that his restaurants will take crypto.
Really? I can see that.
So think about this. Every time you take your Bitcoin and you go buy something, if you're up at it, it's actually a capital gain to go out to eat. That's why I don't know that it's a currency, but it's probably a store of value. It's like Star Trek or something. In the future, there'll be space credits. Skylar, what do you think? In the future, are we going to travel to Mars and pay for things on Bitcoin?
Eventually.
Would you go to Mars?
No.
Huh?
If there was a chance for you to go to Mars, you wouldn't go?
What's there? Like, for me? Why? Why would
You
I
could
go
walk
to
around
Mars?
spaceless.
I mean,
weightless.
maybe as like a trip. I wouldn't go live on Mars. Like,
If it was space tourism, would you go?
if there's a space tour, I would go. But I want to come back. I like Earth. I'm a fan of Earth.